Oh hey, Eddie Going here, making a quick video for TopUnique Hair Systems. I had a dream last night that I woke up and made a bedhead, how to get rid of bedhead video, and I thought, you know what? With TopUnique Hair, dreams really do come true. Is that a corny joke? Listen, I'm gonna show you. So I've got some bedhead going on here, and I don't think that, now it could be worse. This is actually not bad. It could be worse. I don't sleep with a bonnet on. I know that a lot of men and a lot of women especially will sleep with like the shower cap silken bonnet. I don't do that because first of all, I feel like I look silly, but I also can't really, I'm sure you get used to it. I just don't sleep with that. I used to have silk pillowcases, but then sometimes they were just sliding off my bed. I just felt like I was, I don't know, sleeping on oil. So I don't really do anything except try to sleep consciously on my stomach. I'm a stomach sleeper anyway. I sleep on my stomach so as not to disrupt the hair, but sometimes it does get disrupted. So I'm going to show you a couple of tools that you can use. Now you could use regular sink water, but this has got a nice little spray, so you don't get too much water at first. But I like to give a little spray of this. Then just using your hand, kind of like talk the hair into, I might have put a little bit too much water. That's okay, at least it wasn't not soaked. Try to talk the hair into getting into the place that you want it to get into. Come in with your brush over here. Now, as you could also see, this is looking good already. The other tool you're gonna need is a mirror like this, just so you can hold it and see the back of your head. This is a game changer. I travel with this. I have a smaller one. I think that my pain points are making sure that there's full coverage in the back. And since I have an exposed hairline, always making sure that my hairline just doesn't look too phony, all right? Now that's subjective. Some of you might be looking at this hairline saying, well, that looks phony to me. Well, it looks fine to me. This area right here, I'm not thrilled with. If I was to, when I do reattach this, I'm gonna make sure I close this small little gap right here. Because the thing is, the hair systems, they work so well, but there's a couple of little tells that someone who wears hair systems would notice about you. But to the naked eye, they're not gonna notice. So if there is something that's driving you crazy, the odds are 99% of the people aren't gonna notice. So here's another product that I use. It's called Rusk. You can get it on Amazon Prime. It's a shine enhancing lusterizer. I don't know if that's really a word, but you put a little bit in your hand. It's like a cream, kind of like a shiny cream, just to get yourself in line. Now, it's not really a gel. It works like a gel, but if you've got stubborn flyaways, that's what I'm gonna recommend this Got2b product. Now, a bottle of glue busted in my travel bag, so that's why it's got all fucking cotton all over it. But this is a thickening cream, so if you do have those pesky little flyaways, and this Rusk smells really pretty. I don't think you can put it on your skin, though I'm tempted to. And there you have it, folks. Taking you from bedhead to relatively presentable, just a matter of minutes. Thanks for watching. As always, my name is Eddie Going. You can find me on all the social medias under Eddie Going. DM me with your questions, keep them coming. I do my best to answer as quickly as possible. If you're gonna slide into my DM, sometimes it goes to a filtered folder, which I only check occasionally. So write to me in a comment, let me know that you're gonna message me, and then I'll know to go look for the message if it doesn't come straight through. Or if you watch my stories, if that's how you're here from TopUnique sharing my stories, just respond to my story because I get those automatically. Great to see you again. Hair systems aren't for everyone. If you've got your ticket to Turkey booked and you're on your way for a hair transplant, best of luck to you. This is what works for me, and this is what makes me feel like me. And that's the important part here. Great to see you. Talk to you soon. I gotta go wash this off my hands.